How we doing? That time of the week again, adventure time. Up on Harter Fell, looking for a spot somewhere. Back in the Lake District, not been for a while. Out with a couple of mates today. Got Tom, Callum with us. A couple of lads meeting us a bit later on. But forecast is looking a bit grim tonight, so I'm going to try and get out of the wind. Forecast is saying like 40 mile an hour, but don't believe it at the minute. Barely touching probably 20 up here, but might get the anemometer out in a bit, and if I can get some of that, I'll bring you back for some anemometer readings. But yeah, Hawes water, stunning, very underrated part of the lakes for me. But yeah, I've camped here a few times. Some of the best views in the lakes, I reckon, down here. But yeah, I'll bring you back in a little bit. Just made it up the first bit of ascent. I'm going to start the next little bit of an ascent now up to top of Harter Fell, and then take it from there. I think probably maybe drop down into small water, but we're going to have a look when we get up there. But yeah, catching a bit. Not at the top of Harter Fell yet, but we're not too far away. Got up the second ascent, but yeah, it's not bad up here. Been up here a few times. Harter Fell's got some nice views, but it might be a bit too windy to pitch on top, so we're going to scope out a spot and take it from there, I think. But yeah, I'll catch you in a little bit, peeps. That's it, top of Harter Fell. I'm going to drop down now, find a spot somewhere. Yeah, the wind's up here, I don't know, we've just had the anemometer out. About 18, 15, 20, a bit all over the show, but it's not what the forecast is saying, so. But yeah, we're going to head down now near probably small water somewhere, on a ledge or something. But yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. clocking just over 40 mile an hour on the anemometers there. Just on the shoulder off Harter Fell. Just sat in a shelter. It'll be down in a second. I'm going to find a little spot down near small water. Right, we're back. I've had to drop right down to small water because it's probably seen by now. I'll probably put some anemometer readings on the screen, but it's quite strong up top, and even though tents will be fine, but you ain't getting no sleep, are you? So dropping down here, little spot, flat spot behind us. But I've got the easy job tonight because sharing a tent. Get to have a look at the Nammatj, one I've not seen, so I'll bring you back when we've pitched the tent, show you around the Nammatj. All in for the night. All the kit in there. Decent amount of room inside the Nammatj. Yeah, a couple of quilts tonight because the temperature's not really dropping low. Tom's in a Firmarest Vesper, I think. I'm in a Cumulus 450. And we've both got the Big Agnes Rapide in there as well. Proper comfy mats if you're interested in buying one of them. Just got tent up now. Going to have a quick brew and that, get out of the wind, but yeah, easy one tonight. Me and Big Tom sharing a tent, should be funny. But yeah, nice and cosy in here, nice and warm, but we'll give you a quick look around the tent in a minute and can have a look at the Nammatj. And that, but yeah, got into bed quite early to be honest, but it's just after 7 now. Forecast looking grim this morning, so we're just going to get out rapid. Let's see, just getting the tents away now. I'm going to give Tom a hand and get this tent away, head down, so I don't want to be much more filming, but it's only a short walk back down to the car, maybe 25 minutes, 30 minutes maybe. Right, so that's it. Like you can probably see from behind us, just walking away from the pitch. Tents are down. You know the score. Make sure you take that fucking shit with you. Yeah, so let's steady walk out to the car now. Give it a filming on my way down. But if not, I'll wrap the video up at the bottom. almost back at the car now. Just see Mardale car park behind us. We're just parked in a lay-by a bit further down. It's always a busy one, Mardale car park, when you turn up, if you're ever going to head down here. But it's a beautiful place, Haweswater. Enjoyed a nice little social camp with some boys. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you watch some of the others that are on the channel. Give us a subscribe and all that shit. But yeah, peace out peeps. Catch you on the next video.